Well, a warm welcome to today's talk on the Ray Law International channel. Submitting an application to the USCIS can seem like a daunting process. If you've worked hard and seemingly followed all of the rules required, it can be quite disheartening when you receive a denial decision. You're probably wondering, where do I go from here? Let's talk about it. Yes, there are two methods by which you can make this request. The first method is a motion. For all decisions issued by the USCIS, you may request a motion on the case. This is a request to have the same reviewing authority that denied you open your request and reconsider. The second method is an appeal. This is only available for certain types of applications. An appeal differs from a motion because with an appeal, your request is evaluated by a different governing body than the one that initially reviewed it. Your application may be denied for one of two main reasons. The first reason that your application may be denied is because the package itself is rejected. Failure to send in all of the supporting documents, failure to fill in the documents in their entirety, including signatures, or failure to pay the required and correct filing fees can entitle the USCIS to reject your application and send it back to you. The second and more critical reason that your application may be denied is that you failed to meet certain requirements. The USCIS may decline an application based on one or more requirements that have not been satisfied. This can happen even if you send in all the required documents, pay the required filing fee, and fill in the documents properly, including signatures. If your application is denied based on the information that you provided, you may be able to utilize the appeal or motion process. If it is in an appeal, you may submit an appeal of a USCIS decision to the USCIS Board of Immigration Appeals, or the AAO, Administrative Appeals Office. If you are submitting a motion, you may send it to the USCIS office that issued the denial to you. Often, it is the petitioner or applicant. However, there are limited circumstances in which a beneficiary may be entitled to do so. Now that you know your options, which method applies to you? To access our video on motions or our video on appeals, head over to the Ray Law International channel. There, you'll find our entire library on tutorials. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing these videos with your friends. Stay informed, stay educated, and until next time, stay on the right immigration path.